Hey everyone, welcome back to another banking live stream in February. I hope you all are doing well. Let's get started. Let me just join Discord as well. Sorry, this was my server. All right. Let's see if anyone wants to join me on Discord. We will have it. Let me open the chat screen in the right. All right, all right, all right. Perfect. So quick, join quick, and hit the like button. My voice still not fixed yet since I was sick. Anyway, let's see what the market is trying to do. Welcome everyone, welcome to the stream. Hit the like button. And we're about to get cooked by the market today. Price action is hell, bro. All right. Let's check the news time at first. We have ISM manufacturing 10 a.m. Okay, it's a red folder news, so probably I'm seeing bullies to fill this gap at least. Tap on this high. As I said in the video, so that's what I'm actually looking for. In the discount, we have this old high. I wanted to tap and fill this FBG as well and go for a higher side. Tahir, welcome to the stream, brother. Good afternoon. Good afternoon to you. It's actually evening here. How are you? How is trading going this first quarter? Yeah. Yeah, so where I was, yeah, I want to get it to be filled and continue in the buy side direction. Unless it shows me something, any signal to be in the sell side, we have left this one as well. So let's go see. We have this original consolidation back here to be taken out. Maybe we'd leave this today and raid on tomorrow, like Tuesday, as usually happens. So we need to really be cautious at this time. Oh, yeah, I think these highs are really important. I would look that into smaller time frames. Can you please explain your strategy for me? My strategy is just like higher time frame direction. Once I have the direction, I just go into smaller time frame like 15 or 5 minutes. Wait for time. Now what the time is? Time is the New York key zone, which is 7 a.m. New York time to 10 a.m. New York time. Sometimes when we have news on the 10 a.m., that time exceeds to 11 a.m. All right, that's the time window. When you have the time window and know the direction, we wait for our setup to form. My setup is as simple as that. Let me just show you the template. I already shared with the members on the Discord. Let it load a little bit. Yo, what's wrong? Oh yeah, this is my actually setup. We sweep and liquidity or external liquidity or any key level like point of interest or like optimal trade entry. It breaks the structure, return backs to and discount for buy and just buy it to target the highs as target. Or if it doesn't sweep the low previous low, then we look for an SMT. Uh, if you know smart money concepts, then you would understand it. Otherwise, you would get nothing. Does that make sense to you? All right, so yeah. So as we mark the highs on 4 hour, this one, I hope. So that highs are actually Asian session high. So that is actually a very important liquidity point. So if we see anything structure shift in the buy side, we would definitely target that for our TP, right? Even though I want it to take out, but maybe this lows would be taken out tomorrow. So for that narrative, I'm actually targeting the highs instead. Okay, on GBP USD, highs are already taken out, but on dollar index, lows aren't taken out, so it can be trade as well. I think we're gonna make another high on DXY, then rate the lows. That could be possible as well. So which is inverse on euro dollar, so that would be like make another low and then target the highs. So let's see, we just have to wait patiently. But honestly, this is a very confusing time, as I said on the video, if you have watched that. So we have to really be patient. Otherwise, account's gonna be blown. Is my voice clear? Like I'm really struggling to speak right now. Let me know. All right, let me change it to buy side liquidity. All right. I need to see the central bank dealer sense as well to know that how much market can go, like move. Yes, thank you for letting me know. Where are you from, by the way? Are you Pakistani, Indian, or any other places? 45 pips, it's too long. 21. Okay, Asian race actually makes sense. Okay, let me put this CBDR in it. Sorry, Asian range. So I think it could go to this. I think that's actually, yeah, that's actually below it. This can be a target, all right? I'm marking this. Um, Price possibly can go to this if it then return back. Oh, okay. Maybe we would leave this for later as well. That can be possible as well. I'm actually confused at this point. Let me just analyze for a few minutes. Okay, this is also an interest point. All right, we mark that. 1 hour. All right, we are more likely to go on the sell side. So yeah, let me mark this one as well. Mhm. The buy side could be taken after the news time. So basically, we probably have the run on the sell side at first, and the buy side delivery may be on the lunchtime or maybe in the PM session. As we don't trade PM session in Forex, so let's just see. This is the lowest. Let me put the standard deviation on the manipulation as well. Yeah, this one standard deviation is a target, right, for the sell side. But it can go to this, but still, this is the easy target, one standard deviation. Let me remove this one and make it red. This is the first target I'm looking for. Let me just text. Oh, AZTP. Yeah, this one. Same for GBPUSD. This is the original consolidation, but I don't think that would have much. We would have an SMT, I guess, with British pound, so euro is more likely to be taken out. So you were waiting for time-based liquidity to be taken in New York kill zone and SMR. I don't know what SMR is to take place with the displacement and also wait for OTE. Yeah, exactly. From Nigeria. All right, you're from Nigeria. Cool. Exactly. At first, you have to know that where the price is going, then you have to know when to trade, then you have to wait for your setup to appear and just take a trade with right risk to reward ratio. And that's trading. It's simple but not easy because a lot of people don't have that much patience. All right, all right. All right, can we hit 790 subs today? Just we just need 2 subs though. Like it's an easy target. Let's see. We just need two subs and price is moving. Maybe if it retrace, but it should not this much. I would plan an entry. Uh, this would be the optimal trade entry. Mm, 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 mm. This this low, but that's gonna be less likely because this is an what is called like mitigation block, yeah. But if it somehow, then we can see, even though like my strategy isn't playing out much good in the January because the direction was unclear. Like I knew where it's going, but the nature actually fluctuated due to some uncertain what is economic conditions of US. Let's see. I have to check gold as well. Let's see what it is doing. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. All right. Okay, it dropped this much in the oh after market open it dropped a lot as well. So it's rallying. Mondays are usually like this kind of price action. You cannot predict how much it would go. Crazy. Well, this is a valid structure shape though. Alright. I have to check Nasdaq. Nasdaq. I'm thinking to build a strategy on this pair as well. Because like futures are good. Prop firms of futures are not something I like, but futures are actually good for indices. Like it only take 2 hours to trade, like 9:30 to like 11 a.m. New York time. So it's yeah, which is good. Time is so impact that I can do more things in the day. Well. What do you guys think? Like, can we hit 90 subs or not? Like, we just need two. Just two subs. All right. We're about to take the low. What is your view on euro? My view on euro, I wanted to take out this like let me go on 1 hour. I wanted to take out this original consolidation. If you know the market maker like MMXM model, then you would know. This is an original consolidation. We ran on the buy side to take out this old high. This old high. And then we are reversing for sell side. And this is the original consolidation that I'm targeting. And I also aligned that Asian session standard deviation so that one standard deviation actually aligning with it. So that's the target for today. After that, I don't know what's gonna happen. I am in the industry for 3 years now, but still having problem with consistency. All right, you have to know that why you were like your setup is failing and just simply fix that. It sounds simple, but it's not, I know. But you have to really find out that specific problems to fix it. Today I have got SL on sale. When did you sell? Like it's actually started selling from from the beginning of the kill zone. Did you trade it outside of the kill zone? Like this is the beginning of the kill zone, so this is the first candle. It went higher, then after then all sell. So how did you like get hit? If you tell me the time, that would be better. Like 1.1 London kill zone. I don't know, man. I don't know about that. London is really, really tricky even for me, so I just skip that. Sometimes London's have good price action, but mostly it's just yeah, 250 London, 250, 250. This oh, okay. I don't know, like maybe this one you were talking about, because this is a 250 candle. All right. Mm, you should have sold like above the opening price. This is an opening price. After 1 minute saved, it was crazy. Like this week is really crazy. I don't know. Like this is so much chop. That's why I just don't trade. I just shifted on New York. It's just much more easier for me to predict where the market would go. London is very, very tricky. Even I have asked others too, they have said the same. It's very tricky. Use the opening price, you would get much better entries as well. Would you prefer to trade London or New York more? New York. Easy peasy New York. Because if you know the quarterly theory, London falls into the manipulation section. So it's obvious that you are going to get manipulated as well. And New York is for delivery. If you know about it. There's like can you go for long on GU? Why? Why long on GU though? GU is more confusing because it don't have any clear target as it already swept this low. So I think it's gonna make an SMT while you gonna take out the low. That's what I think. Cause Euro GBP is dropping, so EU gonna be more weak than GU. So Euro might take out the low and GU don't, and that would be an SMT for the buy side. Did you get it what I said? Did you just get it what I said? Hit the like button, man. You guys don't like. I don't know why. Hit the like button. Yeah. After liquidity sweep and MSS could be possible, but as I said, like GBP is, yeah, yeah, makes sense. GBP is strong, so yeah, yeah, that could be possible. But I think that's gonna happen after the 10 a.m. news. I think it would just range, take out, or maybe drop till even two standard deviation, and then make a reversal point and go and take out the buy side like that. Or even it could be midnight delivery as okay, no, we don't have it, Trump speaking. Okay. But still, sometimes we don't know like what's gonna happen. So more easy target is for the sell side, But as we already missed setup, like we should have sell here. So how much is that? Okay, this is more 10 pips. Okay, he took the high dollar index. Mhm. This is an SMT, I guess. 4 a.m. Yeah. GBP has an SMT. Hey bro, can you help me to pass 5K from that account? What can I say about it? What can I say? Market conditions isn't aligning right now for real. To be honest, I really didn't make money from trading last month. Last month was the horrible month. From the last 3 months I have traded. It's not legal in India. I hope you are Indian as well. You know about it. Yeah. I think you have a job at least. Yeah, yeah. You know the regulations. I cannot sell signals. I cannot teach. So things are really tough here. It really doesn't take much. How many funded account have you tried? I'm currently college student. Okay, you're a college student. Okay, that's cool. Three account loss. Holy shit, that's that's literally rookie number, bro. Like How long have you been trading? Currently having good from the trade to accounts. Bro, you're just a beginner, so give it time, yourself time. It's not like something you're gonna conquer in months or years. It does take time. Note why you're blowing your accounts. You have to note those things. Those are actually paid learning. If you fix those mistakes, that's all. Just know where you are making the mistake and fix that. That's it. Do you journal? I think you don't journal yet. I journal. Okay, that's actually pretty impressive because most of the beginners don't journal. Even I don't used to journal when I was started studying. I'm following. I follow the one strategy. Do you have a strategy? Do you? When I put in demo, it hit TP. When I put in real, it hit also. I don't think. Uh, I don't like. What's your strategy? Explain it. Let me see. Right, we taking out the low. I think we're gonna make the low of the day at one standard deviation and we're gonna see it. Alright, 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 alright. Let me tell you one thing. If you really do have strategy, what most people think they have, but usually they don't. They think that their psychology is the problem, but most people don't even have a strategy. They just enter because they think price gonna do that way, and that's it. So if you really have strategies, but sometimes strategies fail for months over months. That's why beginners change their strategy and they keep changing it. Your age won't play out every single month. My strategy is find the range, enter at FVGOV. Have you backtested that? Uh, Yes. Then what's the average RR you are getting? Like how many trades have you taken in the backtested? The data, like what's the average RR you were getting and what's the accuracy you were getting? I'm currently at break-even stage. I'm not talking about your actual progress. I'm talking about that where you like your strategies, where stand it like win. Yeah, win rate, 30% win rate. Okay, then your RR should be like more than four. Yeah, more than four RR. You need to be profitable. What's your average RR on that strategy? 1:3. Okay, okay, interesting. Then you should increase the win rate. Refine, like don't enter all setup. Refine the entry model. your win rate would increase and you would be profitable. Increase the quality of your setup. Yeah, try it. Like, if you see it can possibly deliver your setup, don't enter that kind of trade. Enter when it's obvious, like it has to do it now. Like that kind of confident trades. Even though sometimes that would fail as well, don't be afraid of the loss that comes with it because we don't control the market. So yeah. All right, so let me check the GBP. Uh, GBP has an SMT as expected. We just need a market structure shift for our setup. Can you say the EU and GU long-term view like weekly or monthly? Yeah. Didn't you watch my video of the like I uploaded on the Sunday? I explained that. Like let me just we'd start from the 3 month. So this is a 3 month chart on EU, right? So what is it? This is a market structure shift. What is this? Equal highs. So price is probably gonna target those. But this is very, very long term, right? As you day trade, this is useless. So let's go on monthly. On monthly, what is this? This is an order block, right? So we tapped on the order block, swept the previous month high, and then closed inside the range. So now we need to go in the sell side. Let's go on weekly. Now we swept the high, closed inside. This is actually 60-day EBITDA data range low, which is institutional liquidity pool. This is also this rejection point. So there is a lot of orders left to taken out. So it's really bearish. If you go on daily time frame now, so let me just put it on back. We're into a premium now, going to a discount, right? But already taken out the high. Everything is on the sell side. Back to data like, hey bro, welcome to the stream, Luxman. So yeah, let me just continue. We are yeah, like the seasonal tendency is bullish on dollar index, so obvious bearish for euro dollar. COD data, we are actually in sell. 12 months, 6 months, 2 years, 4 years, we are in sell. And open interest for dollar index, which is rising after taking out the low, right, on dollar index. After taking out this low, we are rising the open interest, which means it's bullish. But should we take the bearish trades right now? Absolutely not, because we haven't shipped any market structure or SMT for now at least. So we have to wait for that, then we'd go for these objectives. Did you get it? I hope it makes sense. Uh, yeah. Till then we are actually yeah. Till then we are actually shifted the market structure in the January for the bullish side. We have taken out the highs. It's still bullish, but everything says bearish, so we would just wait for anything to be bearish and then take bearish side. Until then, we just continue the trend. We just need to wait for price to show it now. Patiently wait. That's why I said in the video, like, wait first 2 weeks. Like, if it shows in the sell side, we would just go on the sell side. Well, right, all right. Can we hit 90 subs? We just need two, bro. Like, this is hilarious. We're so close to it. Let's hit 90 sub, 90 sub, 90 sub. This is the target for today. We need to hit 90 subs. Hey, bro, I have one doubt. You said you haven't traded for 2 months. Then how can you manage the expenses? How you say how you earning, bro? I said that in the last 3 months, January was the worst month for me. So I haven't made money in the January. I didn't say for 2 months. I'm actually having an like what like part-time job. I'm working now. So yeah. You really need a cash flow, honestly. Don't hate the job because you see online. Those are stupid stuff. You really need a job. Yeah, I'm working part-time. When you have a cash flow to meet your bills and expenses, you would not force trading. You would not try to make every day to, okay, I have to make money, otherwise I won't be able to pay bills or something. That's why another cash flow is really, really important. Trading, we can earn a lot. It actually depends person to person, then try EA that trade automatically. I don't know, I'm actually not into those things. I'm planning to opt EA. Your own or like rent or buy someone's after 5 months. Okay, interesting. I don't like use those things. I like more manual trading because my goal is more outside of trading to build really something. So I really need to know how market moves and all that stuff. So the knowledge experience is gonna be helpful for me in the future for me. I know one dude, he is giving EA forecast. I say there were actually many EAs listed on the MT5. I've seen they're like good rate with good really good ratings that comes with like few $100. Those really good, but I don't perform that. Check out this guy, ROB. Yeah. Again, I don't really need to, but thanks. All right, yeah. We are already about to be tab the standard deviation, and I think we made the SMT. Yes, this is an SMT. Mhm. All right, all right. Hit the 90 subs though. We just need two. Just two. Time is it? Okay, we run a lot. Mhm. Just close, very, very close to the target. Okay, okay. Okay, we hit that objective right on the pip. Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, okay, perfect. This is perfect. Now we just need to end market structure set. We already made the low of the day, and now we have buy side liquidity left to target. What do you think? I think you're learning ICT, isn't it? Yeah, tracing. So are you like watching the core content or like some other stuff? No, I don't watch ICT. Because I have learned the stuff from other YouTube guy. I think I have recommended you before about going for the core content and learn it. I think you are in my Discord, right? Yeah, I do remember it. So you were expecting to pass the funded account, even you still don't know how to use ICT concept. How would that work, bro? Like, so would you learn or just go for that EA's bots to trade? Holy crap. I give you one SL hit setup analysis for me. Yeah, did that like this one, right? The London kills on entry. I don't know, like I'm not that pro at trading in London session. But yeah, it should have go bullish because we have taken the low of the Asian session, so it makes sense to be go bullish. But I don't know, you had some sort of sell side for some reason maybe. But if you go on GBPUSD, then I think it delivered exactly. Whenever it takes out the sell side of Asian session after the market open, it goes for buy side. As simple as that. Analyze those at first link. There is loss. Where is it? Like where did you get it? On DC or something like simple thing is that if it takes Asian session low, then it's probably bullish. Like 60% of the time. Okay, I think we're gonna do a little bit consolidation here, then sweep one more time and then structure shift. Check this trading view link where you'll if you're sending links on the chat, then I really can't see it. But we suggest you to send it on over the Discord, like send over the Discord if you have a chat or like even on the DC chat, that's fine. Yeah, don't send on the chat, like on YouTube chat. I can see it. Send on DC. Mhm. I sent. Okay, let me check. Where did you send? Okay. All right, all right. Okay, three. Let's start with this one. USD CAD. You really tried some holy crap. Where was that? I can't even see it well. 15-minute chart. Where is it? I have to find out. How old is it? Like, is it today or like some old say? From this, it says nothing. Like, it's a sell trend. It went for retracement. This is an mitigation block and just continues and toward the direction. That's what I can see. You can't pick a random OBs. It's old. Okay, it's old. I see. So from just this image, it says that you have to say like mark the direction from the higher time frame. You just can't mark a random breakup structure on inside 15 minutes. You have to know the direction by higher time frame. Right, so this is the second one. Get JPY. You try some spooky pairs. I don't know, like, okay, this is an structure shift right here, retracement on order block. It should be entry here, but it took another entry on the proportion block. It's okay though. It hit TP, I don't know. It's okay. Fine. This one, let's check it. I don't know. Maybe you traded in the wrong direction. This is an inducement. Equal highs. Continue toward the long run. Your bias is not good. Is this valid entry? Entry really doesn't matter that much as you think. What it matters is your direction. Then you have to know where is it going. Then you have to know when it would go. Then you just enter on your setup. Your entry model would depend, like your entries would depend on your entry models. Some people entries on IFVG setups. I don't use those because that's not my setup. So entries are least thing that you have to focus on. Like that's important, but you have to really focus on the bias at first. You have to predict the market, that where is it going. That's why I told you to do that course, man. You won't get it until you do the course, like where the price is going. As I know it's gonna go lower. This is unstructured shift, I know it. But you can take it as a Structure shift and buy on the OT. It don't work that way, right? You have to know where it's going. The direction is the first thing you have to know. All right, let's see. Did you get it? Can we hit the 90 subs? Can we hit the 90 subs today? You're really close to it. Work on your bias at first. Your bias is horrible, as I see. Your RR is good. Entry model depends on the person to person, but you have to really be good at bias. You want 2 subs? Yes, I do want 2 subs. I will do it for you. Thank you so much. Let's see. Let's see if we can hit 2 subs today. Okay. We're dropping more and more and more and more and more. Now check, bro. All right. Did you just subscribe with your own own Gmail or something, or did you share it to people? Yeah, it shows 90 though, but I don't know what he did. Uh, I have five. Damn, what do you do with those accounts? One extra stream. Thanks. We already hit the target. The goal is not to just increase numbers, is goal is to increase the audience. But thanks, you did it for me. All right. So what time is it? 8:15, 8:30. I need to check the Nasdaq. Actually, building and strategy on Nasdaq. Let me just put it on. Indices, overnight session, right? And I have to put one more thing. Don't worry, bro. I will share it to some safe friend I have. They will do whatever I say. Yeah, all right. Sounds better. All right, so let me put 9:30 open, so that would be 9:50, 10:10. This one too as well. I don't need that saving time. All right. Let's see. Let me put it as all right. This is actually a mechanical setup that I have seen before, but I really need to test it because sometimes it really works well and sometimes it doesn't work at all. These kind of days are the best. I'm cooked. Let me put the sensation, then maybe we can see something. All right, I have to refine it. Like it, I think it has some 30 to 40% accuracy, but I'm looking for something like 1:5 RR. Otherwise, I won't switch Forex. I already have 1:3, so that's sweet spot. Okay. Okay, I think we're about to hit the second standard deviation. Let me put that one. I don't know, like this was the lowest easy fall, but it still can drop to second standard deviation of Asian range. Let's see. I have this is the lowest I can think of to make the low of the day. After that, I really wanted to reverse. If we see any sign or structure shift, then we would target that. Let me measure the total 50 pips. We already removed 50 pips. We can move more 30. This is more 10. So yeah. I could have taken this trade. Like, but this is not an OD, so I don't take those kind of risky trades. I usually get stopped when I like sell at very discount. I usually get stopped also. Oh, I think GBP swept that low as well. Yeah, the SMT doesn't work now. 30 minutes. 1 hour. hmm Which time frame is best to take reversal? You can even take the reversal in 5 seconds chart, but you really need to know that, okay, this is gonna be the reversal point. Usually 5 minutes is good. Like if you're, it actually depends person to person. I usually see on 5 minutes, which have high win rate. For reversal, high win rate depends on your setup, bro. Like it isn't tied to time frame, it's tied to your setup. I have analyzed some reversal entry. It gave best results on 15. 15 minute, like 15 minutes is too big. Like if I see 15 minute structure shift would be here, market structure shift. So the whole move is over till then. So I don't know what you're talking about. Compared to 5 minute, 1 minute. Yeah, obviously higher time frame has much more direction than the lower time frame, but if I really wait for a structure shift on 15 minutes, then it would complete the whole move. I wouldn't even have any room to left target. But as I can predict that where can be the low or the high of the day with the tools taught by ICT, so 5 minutes is actually good for me. Can you explain that, bro? Explain what? Dealer trends, like how can I predict where the day low or higher will be? Daily bias and dealing range. Daily bias. Okay, let's start. Let's. Okay. Uh, so for daily bias, you have to, the lowest time frame you can go is 4 hours to define a daily bias, and best would be going with weekly, daily, 4 hour. You can even use monthly. The higher the direction, the better. So if we start with the monthly, as I already explained that we are into the order block, berries, tap there, taking out the high previous month. So it should go sell side. So that fixes higher time frame sets that now it's sell side, right? Weekly time frame we have if the data range low 60-day and institutional um, liquidity here because this is the place where it rejected like big rejection. You see that this is a big rejection. So these are important lows that we need to take out. All right. So daily time frame we have taken out this high and it's really need to go low. So these things actually gives me a direction. Now when I know the direction, then we have to know actually the nature of it. Okay, someone is actually. Hello.
इधर ट्रेड बनाया हो आज
No, not yet. Like just watching the price to go in direction as I'm not predicting anything at this point. I need more clarity in it. Okay, so what I was saying that you need to know the nature of the days. If you go in my Discord in the strategies, you would see these templates. Uh, this one. So yeah. So okay. It's not explained much. So Monday is actually for range, or we actually usually target the previous week objectives, like if it's not filled yet, like any order block, FVG, liquidity pools. Just for like this was the objective consolidation that I was targeting previous week. So that isn't met yet. So Monday is gonna take up that. That's what it did. Exactly right. So in Tuesday, what it happens, it's a reversal there. Like after taking or meeting any key point, PD array, or taking any liquidity, it's a reversible. So mostly you would see reversals on the Tuesday, making high or low of that week, right? The same thing, it goes Thursday are usually reversal. If it didn't make the objective, then it won't reverse. It would continue. If it made the reversal, if it made the objective, then it would reverse. Just like this was the objective, it haven't made. The target was this. That's how you do it. Now you have to go really lower time from for predicting the day low and high. It opens day after the midnight of kill zone. Oh, sorry, New York time. Then it creates a low. If you know that, how to explain it, there is a lot of things going. If you understand the power of three, which is let's just give you an example with the price candle. All right. So if this is actually a theory. There's a lot of stuff, bro. So when price opens, it goes in the opposite side to manipulate and then deliver, then close at certain point, right? That what happens every single weekly candle, daily candle, and every single candle. So on daily candle, what it did, market open, it reached a low. How to know where it make the low? That's the CVDR, like central bank dealers, which start at 2 p.m. New York time to 8 p.m. New York time, that you mark the range and put and standard deviation to mark it. So there are some rules. That's why I don't use that central bank dealers range today. So I use that Asian range. Put the standard deviation. You marked it. That's where I think it's gonna make the low, right? So the same thing, it made the low, then it would deliver. Uh, like after that, making the low, it would deliver, right? Did you guys get it? It's a lot of complex thing. I'm really not good at teaching, but I tried though. Let me know if you really get it or like I'm gonna explain it more better. Comment, comment, comment fast. Complex in the beginning, but if you understand once, it's pretty simple. I really don't have to look at anything. I know where market's gonna go, when market's gonna go, at what point it's gonna go. And what else you need? Risk management, that's your job though. I explain a lot of things at once, so it may confuse you. But when you do the course, it's really one by one. You would know everything how to use it. It should be doing every day. Like I have a notebook. I hope you guys do. So it's written every day. That's a checklist that you have to perform. Where did I? Oh, maybe not this one. Maybe the another one. It's a lot of stuff I wrote, bro. Like, damn. Yeah. Your everyday job would be like, at first you need to know like where would price go today. So as I know price gonna go take out this low because this was the original consideration. There's a lot of things that I know. That's why I know this is gonna be taken out. I even shared on the video I shared on Sunday, right? Then the next step would be like where it would go there, like why it would go there. As I know, this is a targeting liquidity. After it delivered, previous week it didn't reach, so on the Monday it would reach, right? So when and from where it would go, it would obviously go taking out the highs of the Asian range and then deliver, but it did not. Did it just failed swing we can call it and reached for that liquidity. Then it comes the time, is it right time? Like, yeah, this is kill zone. This is silly, but this is really important. Uh, then what's the supporting objective? Supportive objective is like POI, like point of interest, like is it any liquidity point or is it any order block or PDRS that supposed in that direction? And then it's your setup and you just enter. Like if you really buy it at discount or premium. That's actually it. All right, so I think I shared a lot of things. Okay, this low gonna be taken out one more time. That's what I believe. I would wait for it to take it out, and this can be an high to break for market structure shift. All right, just mute it here. Mhm, mhm, mhm. I said that as it happened. I knew this gonna be taken out because it happened to me a lot. All right, after that, if it breaks the high, that would be unstructured. I need to count the pips. Yeah, 7 pips. Drink water. Euro USD PU. All right, I was bearish at first since the beginning of the stream. It already took out that objective. Uh, where is that? Yeah, this lows as well. It took out that. We are into the standard deviation and 300% of the standard deviation projection of manipulation. So this is a reversal point. I'm just waiting for to be create an CISD or structure shape. That's it. And I would target the buy side. Even if it doesn't go till there, but at least to the old lows. My target is like like 30 pips, so it's yeah, it doesn't need much. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I passed 2 accounts today. 2 accounts at the same time? That's crazy. Congratulations, man. So, are you going to take a payout now? Funding Pips and LiveX Capital. Okay, I didn't heard the second one. Uh, so it means like you really did well in the January. What was your accuracy in January? Like I was kind of flat in January, to be honest. This is interesting, interesting. Hit the like button, guys. January first week very bad, but last week is good for me. It's kind of reversed. Like the first 2 weeks of January was good, but the last 2 week was like flat. I didn't really get some setups for entries. Uh, How long have you been trading? Yeah, it's obvious. Like maybe your setup is different as usual. Different people has different entry models. So as my setup didn't appear in the last 2 weeks, but it appeared in the first 2 weeks. So that's why I traded that. Maybe you had setups in the last 2 weeks. That's why you made money. Even if people use the same concept, but they have a different entry model. Yeah, yeah, whatever happened, we focus month and profit or loss. Yeah, exactly. I think we're gonna have entry model after 10 a.m. That's what I think. See you tomorrow. And I'm leaving. All right. Have a good day. I see I'm still waiting for a setup as we didn't get an entry for the sell side in premium. It didn't retrace much. Guys, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button as well. I don't know. The news would come out and it would give an entry model. At least a silver bullet setup for retracement. Uh, All right, we're about to touch. Yeah,
Hello.
let's see. Hello, my friend.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Good morning. How are you? I'm good.
Nice, nice. You on YouTube? Streaming?
I didn't trade it. I didn't even have setup, man. I was waiting for like an retracement to OT, but it didn't give me an entry.
Okay. You're not streaming though, right? You're not streaming.
Yeah, I am streaming.
Oh, I see. Okay.
This is my part-time business now.
Yeah, I mean, you might as well. Makes sense. You know, it's funny. You know the Asia lows. I
Yeah,
was expecting that to be hit.
DXY or like which one? Euro dollar.
Both. Yeah. So I was looking at DXY mainly, but yeah, I was expecting like the 7
Now I'm
p.m.
actually
lows.
confused, like which lows you are talking about, DXY lows or Euro dollar lows?
Yeah, I think they're really correlated. So both of them, but I was mainly looking at DXY.
Oh, damn, God. Like if you say DXY low, then it's Euro dollar bullish, right? So that's what I'm talking about. Which,
This- Oh, sorry. I see what you mean.
yeah.
Yeah, sorry. I was talking about DXY lows as in 7 p.m. lows and 7 p.m. highs for EU. I was hoping those get ran out before we see the upward move.
I see. I see. Yeah. That makes sense. Yeah, I was expecting that too, but that didn't happen. Then after the structure shift, I was waiting for an retracement, but I didn't get an entry for like in premium, so I just let it go.
Are you talking about for at 8 a.m.? Around 8 a.m. you didn't get a retracement?
Yeah, exactly. 8 a.m.
Yeah, good. It's funny. I'm actually hoping reversal.
Yeah, not exactly reversal, but at least like what is it called? Retracement.
Yeah, I'd much rather it come back down and take
No, this
like at 7 p.m. though.
this is not a day for to go buy side, you know. This is not a day for to go buy side. That would happen tomorrow on Tuesday. Let me tell you. On the daily time frame, it would tap that old high tomorrow, and then it will reverse and take out that Asian range high on the Monday. Did you get it?
No, I don't get it. I'm not sure what you said. Are you looking at EU or DXY?
EU, euro dollar. Let me share the screen, then maybe you would get it. Yeah, can you see it? So let me just go in on. So what I'm saying, it would drop till tomorrow, right? And then from tomorrow it would reverse for buy side and take out this high.
I see.
Take out this high. Understand? But for today, I'm seeing a retracement to this old lows and then continue the drop toward that old high on daily time frame, and then tomorrow it would go for buy side.
That makes more sense.
Yeah, it's easily like I have seen.
I wish it would have reversed though. I guess it's just what I want.
Oh,
It's unlikely to happen.
you want it to reverse tomorrow, like today?
Yeah, I'd like for 10 a.m. to just take everything.
But
Would be
why do you want it to reverse today specifically, not tomorrow? Why?
have the news today would be, it would be nice if the news for today and tomorrow is just both extensions
I see.
towards my draw. I mean, I won't be trading the NFP extension, so I want to get some reversal continuation early in the week.
Mm-hmm.
But it's unlikely for that to happen. It just wouldn't make sense.
I see. Let's see. We already reached that 2 standard deviation of Asian range. It can reverse, but I'm not saying that. Like I don't want it to be.
It's kind of expanding.
Yeah.
Reverse is unlikely. Running away. Oh, man, that is so weird. This sort of thing throws me off sometimes. But I guess it shouldn't.
Like what?
The way on EU, the way those equal highs, Asian highs were just kept.
It's kept for tomorrow.
Sort of thing.
Tomorrow is Tuesday, so it matches that narrative.
It could still sweep it and then go down.
Yeah, exactly. But
Just have to displace 10 miles above it or 100 pips above it, just attack above it
yeah,
and offset
I
lows.
I know, I
Makes more sense.
you know what, like many times I have seen the most of the living Asian session high or lows are actually Mondays, most of the time. If you go back in data and see it on your chart, you'll see like on Mondays it's left or just a small sweep, very small touch most of the time. Yeah. All right. Just stop it. Like stream is lagging. Yeah. This is 9 January. Monday is left. You can check out. Uh, Mondays and Wednesdays, because Wednesday is actually continuation. Actually depends on the flout range or CBDR. Right, let's go back live data. Mhm. Uh, I'm thinking to skip the first week. What do you say?
Skip the first week, what do you mean? Of trading?
Yeah, there is yet like any structure shift. So I think waiting for 2 weeks makes sense. It's a tap the old high, so it should change the direction. You were bullish or bearish for the week?
Um, I think from the way Monday's going, I think we're gonna close. Uh, no, I can't really tell. All I know is that I'm bullish early, and then after that, I wasn't really sure what to expect.
Oh, so Monday's price action actually make you confused?
Oh, I'm looking at DXY, sorry. For EU, I was bearish early. That was what I was going into it.
Uh-huh.
I was actually hoping to catch along today.
Yeah, I was bearish as well, cause that original consolidation was left behind. So last week, so Monday was the target to be hit. That And after that, we should reverse from here. Let's see.
Jeez.
It's still expanding.
Yeah,
News is in like 10,
I mean, 30, 40 minutes
minutes
or
there.
I wonder
Wonder
what
what
he's
he's
trying
trying
to
to
do.
do.
We have 44 pips.
Got,
I'd I wouldn't be surprised if it's a reversal.
10
10 a.m.
I
I
don't
don't
see
see
it
it
expanding
expanding
deeper.
deeper.
It's
It's
already
already
Yeah, I don't want it to
pretty big.
expand either, but not an like actual reversal. At least till tomorrow.
you're saying you don't want it to reverse and take like essentially go back above
Yeah,
London, New York.
yeah, I don't want it to
You want
take.
it to stay within.
Yeah, inside the range.
Yeah, makes sense. Hey,
Yeah,
I
I
mean,
mean,
hell,
hell,
if
if
9
9
a.m.
a.m.
sort
sort of
of
on EU, obviously this is,
if
if
9
9
a.m.
a.m.
sort
sort
of
of cuts the move lower and begins its turns bullish. Obviously a down close right now, but if it turns bullish, closes bullish, silver bullet might actually be
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
rushing
Like
towards
on the
its
silver
highs,
bullet, we can see
but
an
it has to
interest.
start turning.
turning.
No, my view on silver bullet is like retrace the actual range expansion on Monday. Then create the low of the week tomorrow and then continue for buy side. I want to like rebalance the range on silver bullet.
Okay. Yeah, I mean,
And that would be safe
Yeah.
profit taking
taking if he was to catch an entry. Man, it's just damn. It's
I don't like that.
really don't like this.
I would really like it if I were selling it from the high of the AC range. I would love it to be expanded.
I,
I mean,
that's the thing. We could have maybe been even a bit easier to do that if it just ran the range. But I didn't want to.
It actually tapped exact on that price of the AC.
Why?
Yeah, the XY exact. Low.
Yeah.
Not a single.
That
That was what I was looking at.
Yeah, not a single freaking pips low. And just reversed from there.
Yeah,
The fact that this is being left for all the way tomorrow is kind of triggering.
No, that actually happens a lot. They build.
It's triggering.
They build. It actually fits my narrative though, so I'm actually calm about it.
I find it annoying. I find it super annoying.
Will you take a trade if that covers the 9-10 FVG?
9, 10. Nah. I'd only take one if it goes to your market structure shift.
Okay. Why don't you trust that today?
What do you
I
mean?
mean,
Like you usually take those IVG trades, right? So why not
Yeah,
today?
but that one won't
for
work.
what?
I
I
have
have
very
very
specific
specific
time-based
time-based
algorithmic
algorithmic
ones.
ones.
That
This isn't,
that
that
doesn't
doesn't
even
even
qualify.
qualify.
Oh, why? It's actually into that 9:10 a.m. 8:50 to 9:10. That's the
Yeah,
Yeah,
but
but
there's
there's
specific
specific
criteria
criteria
that
that
it has
has
to
to
meet.
meet.
oh,
This
This
one
one
won't
won't
be
be
the
the
one.
one.
you're keeping it secret. Just tell me.
Yeah, it's secret,
Secret,
my
my
friend.
friend.
This
This
is
is
a high
it's
tier information
information
that I
I
can't
can't
just
just
disclose,
disclose,
you
you
know?
know?
And you
You
don't
don't
even
even
treat, you
treat, you
don't
don't
even
even
respect
respect
it.
it.
You
You
think
think
it's a
it's a
joke.
joke.
No, I don't think it's joke, but I don't trade that way. I have
Even
Even if
if
I
I
showed
showed
you,
you,
even
even
if
if
I
I
showed
showed
you
you
entries,
entries,
I
I
think
think
you
you
thought it
thought it
was
was
just
just
random
random
buying
buying
and
and
Come
selling.
selling.
on, man. I have seen
No, no, it's
ICT
mad
do it.
precise.
No. Wait. I have seen ICT do it, but I don't trade that way. That's not my personality to do so. Okay, I think this is a reversal point.
Yeah,
And
if it
if it
goes
goes
back
back
past your
past your
market
market
structure
structure
shift,
shift,
I
I
wouldn't be
wouldn't be
surprised
surprised
if
if
we
we
take
take
out
out
those
those
equal
equal
highs.
highs.
But 9
9
a.m.
a.m.
has
has
to
to
run.
run.
I won't be surprised as well. Like I am expecting it literally nothing. But it should perform that what is it called? The market maker model. Like consolidation, then go for sell side, then return at the last for that original consolidation, isn't it?
Huh?
Huh?
Say
Say
that
that
again?
again?
What
What
did you
you
say?
say?
MMXM model, you know that, right? So that is actually consolidation
Oh
that we
yeah,
Yeah,
I'm
I'm
familiar
familiar
with
with
it.
it.
all through that range today. Then it go for sell side for that key period which is old high or that daily FVG. Then cut after that tomorrow on Tuesday it should continue to take out that original consolidation that it made today.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
So
So
a
a
smart
smart
money
money
reversal would
reversal would
have
have
to
to
Yeah.
happen today or tomorrow.
tomorrow.
First
First
stage
stage
accumulation,
accumulation,
second
second
stage, and
stage, and
then
then
hope by
by
then
then
we'd
we'd
be
be
past the
past the
original
original
consolidation.
consolidation.
Yeah.
But
There's
there's
actual
actual
labels
labels
to it.
to
Are
it. Are
you
you
familiar
familiar
with
with
the
the
labels
labels
now?
now?
Have you
You
studied the
studied the
part
part
where,
where,
it's
it's
SMR,
SMR,
low
low
risk
risk
buy,
buy,
first
first
stage,
stage,
second
second
stage?
stage.
Have
Have
you
you
seen
seen
that
that
diagram?
diagram?
No, it would be better if you share me link. I gotta watch the ICT's yesterday's speech on Twitter though. Like Banana said, like it was really helpful.
Which
Which
one?
one?
Previous day, like how can I share it? That
Oh, the most
This
recent
recent
one.
one.
yeah, grab your tin phone foil,
Tinfoil, yeah,
yeah,
something like
tin foil hat.
yeah.
And
I
I
was
was
there
there
for a
for a
bit,
bit.
but
But
I mean, when
when
I
I
was
was
there, he
there, he
was
was
talking
talking
on
on
new
new
stuff,
stuff,
like
like
all the
all the
stuff
stuff
going
going
around
around
the
the
world,
world
and
and
how it
how
was
it's
going
going
crazy.
crazy.
Yeah, that's actually important as well too. Uh, all right, this looks like a reversal point, but not trustworthy though. It doesn't look very high probability. Looks like it's gonna continue in the sell side. What do you think?
Yeah, no, it's very likely.
Yeah.
Very likely. I'm also very much looking if we perform an IOFED, institutional order flow entry or tool for the downside expansion.
Let's see.
This is like I send you the template. This is like a very simple one. Low risk by first stage accumulation, second stage accumulation, or accumulation and reaccumulation, whichever one.
Wait, let me see. Okay, original consideration, distribution. Redistribution.
Actually how I trade. The very 5-minute entry stuff I do, I'm actually looking at this is exactly how everything looks. Well, if it goes to plan anyways.
Well, why is that low risk buy? Why? Because
What
the
do you mean?
like, look at the template.
Like why would you mean why is it low risk buy? I don't understand.
Like, what's the logic behind it? Because, like, if it's low risk buy, it's saying, but why? Because it's the or like equal relatives high is left engineered.
No, 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 no. It's not. I understand what you mean if you said why is it low risk buy if it's at the very low? Surely it's the highest risk buy. There is no confirmation of a market structure shift. Da, 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 da. I understand what you mean
No,
if
no,
you
no,
said
no,
that
no,
part.
not that.
It's low risk buy simply because exactly that when you buy it there, you may enter with lower risk.
Oh, it means I have to enter with the low risk. Like if I trade with the
I think so. I think that would be where you enter with lowered risk. And at the accumulations, it would be you'd add on to it perhaps.
uh-huh. Hmm.
No, I mean I don't really do that. I enter full risk at the lowest buy. I don't pyramid every time I MMX out.
Wait a moment, okay? I'm just having a cough. Where we were talking about? Yeah, that
Low risk buy stuff as well.
Low risk buy. I think I don't know, like honestly. What I think because is the smart money reversal is at a point of interest like any PDRA or liquidity. And the second thing is because it engineered and equal relative equals highs. Maybe that's why. That's what logically I think. Yeah. Mm, okay. That IFBG actually working. What do you say? We're about to do a market structure shift down.
Which IFPG?
That 9:10 a.m.
Oh, yeah,
That one's
working
working at
nice.
this.
Cool.
You still, I mean, I gotta say, um,
Mm-hmm.
on DXY, or we've rebalanced the new week opening gap of last week.
Yeah.
And price is now reversing. Well, could be just a retracement, DXY, but it's reversing slash retracing off of that
right
Mm-hmm.
now.
Mm-hmm.
Question is,
when news hits, is that gonna run all the way down to Asia lows, or is it just gonna continue expanding up? That's the million-dollar question. On DXY, we're actually at equilibrium on the daily range. On DXY, we have officially reached equilibrium just now with the 9 a.m.
Honestly,
move.
honestly, we already have taken out the daily objective and already made the low at 2 standard deviation of Asian range. And I think it's time to retrace and rebalance that price action.
So
Just a retracement.
That's what I want. I don't want to go full run on the buy side. I just want it to just rebalance it. That's it.
Would you enter it though? Would you trade it live?
But
I'm
Starting to think my entry now.
uh,
This next 5
5
minute
minute
candle is me.
I don't know. Like, I really don't have any setup. I don't think I would get an entry at discount or something because I really wanted to buy. It didn't even break the high though, which is suspicious. Let the candle close. All right. All right, everyone. I'm actually closing the stream, and I have to just retrace, or it can reverse as well. But I just want to get fill my order. That's it. 30 pips. See you tomorrow, and that's all. I would update if I end up getting into a trade on Discord. So make sure to join the Discord as well.